In this experiment, we are going to calculate resistance per unit length of the given experimental wire. For this experiment, this is the tabular column, this is battery, this is ammeter, this is given experimental wire, this is voltmeter, this is rheostat. Key is not used in this experiment. Keep the operators as in the circuit diagram to do the connections. This is battery, ammeter is placed here, this is given experimental wire, this is voltmeter, this is rheostat. According to the circuit diagram, positive terminal of the battery is connected to the positive terminal of the ammeter. Negative terminal of the ammeter is connected to the one terminal of the given experimental wire. Same terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the voltmeter. Then negative terminal of the voltmeter is connected to the another terminal of the given experimental wire. Same terminal of the experimental wire is connected to the upper terminal of the rheostat. Then opposite lower terminal of the rheostat is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. In this experiment, 6 volts will be given to the circuit. This is 6 volts. Voltmeter should be DC voltmeter. Turn the plug towards DC side. For this experiment, this is the tabular column. First enter number of trials into the tabular column. For first trial, current in the ammeter is 0.1 ampere. For second trial, current in the ammeter is 0.2 ampere. Third trial 0.3. Fourth trial is 0.4. Fifth trial 0.5. Take down readings up to fifth trial. In this experiment, length of the wire will be given. Length of the wire is equal to 60 centimeter. Convert this one into meter, then it becomes 0.6 meter. This is a rheostat. In this rheostat, this is the slider. Switch on all the instruments. When slider on the rheostat is at one end, current is maximum. When slider on the rheostat is at opposite end, current is minimum. For first trial, slider is sliding on the rheostat until current in the ammeter becomes 0.1 ampere. Then take down corresponding voltmeter reading. Here, slider is moving on the rheostat. Now current in the ammeter becomes 0.1 ampere. Corresponding voltmeter reading is 0.42 volts. Put this one into the tabular column. Then for second trial, slider is sliding on the rheostat until current in the ammeter becomes 0.2 ampere. Then take down corresponding voltmeter reading. Put that one into the tabular column. So here, current in the ammeter becomes 0.2 ampere. Corresponding voltmeter reading is 0.87 volts. Put this one into the tabular column. Similarly for third trial, fourth trial and fifth trial. After taking readings for all the trials, plot a graph of current versus voltage. Using the graph, calculate slope. Using slope, calculate resistance of the wire. Using resistance and length of the wire, calculate resistance per unit length of the wire.